In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a light text effect in Canva. Whether you're designing a poster, a social media post, or any creative project, mastering this effect can be a game changer in making your text truly pop. Let's dive right into the process. First, open up your web browser and go to canva.com. You'll want to ensure you're logged into your Canva account. Otherwise, you won't have access to all the features we'll be using today. Once you're logged in, turn your attention to the left-hand side of the screen where you'll see a variety of options. Click on Templates to start exploring. Now, you need to select the type of template you want to begin with. Since we're working on a light text effect, a clean canvas can work wonders. I suggest choosing Poster as your template for this example. Once you've clicked on Poster, go ahead and click Create Blank. This will generate a fresh canvas for you to work on. Before we get into the text, let's change the background to black. This is a crucial step. A dark background will provide the contrast needed to make your text's light effect stand out and appear more realistic. At the top of your screen, you'll find the background color icon, which looks like a rainbow. Click on that icon to bring up the color options and select black. Next up, it's time to add the text. On the left sidebar, find the option labeled text and click on it. From the options that appear, select heading to add a new text box to your canvas. Type in whatever text you want to transform. For this effect, you'll want to pick a thick, blocky font with enough surface area for the light to glow from. Fonts like Bebas Neue, Montserrat Extra Bold, or Archivo Black work wonderfully. To do this, click on the font menu at the top, type in Bebas Neue into the search bar, and select it. Once your text is in place, resize it by clicking and dragging the edges of the text box. Now, you'll want to change the color of your text to something bright and vivid. Think electric blue, cyan, magenta, or vibrant yellow. These colors mimic a light source effectively. To change the color, click on the A icon, which has a rainbow beneath it at the top. Then, choose a bright color from the sidebar. For this example, let's go with a bright yellow. Now for the magic touch and creating the neon effect itself. Look at the top toolbar and find Effects. Click on it and you'll see various styling options. Under Style, find and click on Neon. This instantly adds a glow to your text, hinting at the light effect we're after. To enhance this further, use the Intensity slider located just below the Neon button. Drag it all the way to the right, up to 100, to maximize the glowing effect. And there you have it. Your light text effect is now complete and ready to dazzle. Don't forget to save your design and feel free to experiment with different fonts and colors to see what works best for your project. Thanks for watching and happy designing in Canva.